മൈതാനമൊരുങ്ങുന്ന മറ്റൊരു മാമാങ്കത്തിന് മറ്റൊരു ക്രിക്കറ്റ് പൂരത്തിന് ഇവിടെ World Cup season number 1 Vampires versus Karma Narasimha. Here come to the matches Mr. Premier League Vaishak Ganavachavanamandapu Kerala tennis ball in the Thiruvananthapurathin Anandapuriyude Sammanam Anandapuriyude boy Vaishak Ganavachavanamandapu upcoming tournament pulls into the center for Karma Narasimha against you Vampire Trivandrum. Righty pacey bowler into the center. Aramal Sparrows. Welcome Aramal Sparrows. Says Arapu Zandi Badarangal and the young guns fighting in each other. That's a wicket away for the single round and we have 2 umpires. India. Mr. Premier League reports what a start for umpire Trivandrum. The danger man, one of the big fish caught it. Dot for Aramal Sparrows there. That's a speed in the center. Moon not ball Vishak in the Aramal Sparrows, you beauty. Started things in the style. Laros Atyo Baril, 7 runs over wicket to Matthew Purtiago Valserama. Grounded 1 from Tayapu. Target continues for Vish. Echavala collectors in the waited. Paranjavala is an experienced campaigner. Pedamatramadi Vishak. Round of 1 try, the fielder is collected well. Apples, Kerala Karavati Paran, Maturi Badaram, Purabi Kund Maidana Tagananga. The name is enough. Apu is there. Galawan in the air, have a chance for the fielder and gone. Vishak gone this time. Munam over Layatyapan, then the wicket at the Gono. Fine ball. Chapotai. Oh my goodness, that's a big bang. Hammered it. Truly say that. Now to the scorecard as a 2 wicket, 3.4 overs. 2 balls remaining from the hands of Vivek. Attam scorecard for Tima. Karma Narasimha. Goggle gun on the side well up and the goggle gun and Yubadarangal Bakshe. Avasana Nimishambara in Maidana Tangana Tagartani can much 6 good is go. That's a cutter ball, alpha variation, dot point. Score got a Kunwan with the LAKH with a maximum with a bang, bang, bang again from the blade of Apu Karma Narasimha. Down to 1 try. Baksi, the Nichigudi, another one. They are the fine players. Thiruvananthapuram upcoming years. Kerala tennis ball. Raja Kamara Polangana Rajagemairikan. Gogul Kanana and Apu is there. 61 runs, 2 wickets. Make a flat one. Straight to the commentary box to end up an over. Thank you, Gogul Kannan, for justifying my comment. You are making an impact with the maximum to end up an innings. Rajesh Raman, the partner from Vampires Trivandrum. Rajesh Ramumba, Amalumba, Urabakshopper Rollil, bowling into Shamira. And again, a good collection from the fielder from Atima. Time for the big one, but that's why Rajesh Ram waited and put him away for a maximum here. None to departs. Sachi getting some impact. None to gone. Another wicket gone for Team Vampires. 11 ball 23 runs. Shot from Rajesh and in between the fielders, he's getting some runs on ball. That's where Rajesh gets the striking end. The thing things are turning. Shot again, fielder there. Start again with the counter one drive from the batters of team Vampires. Quick single taken. 53 runs, 5 വിക്കറ്റുകൾ 4 ഓവറുകൾ. ഇനിയുള്ള അവസാന 6 ബോളുകൾ. 6 ബോളിൽ 15 റൺസിന്റെ മറ്റൊരു മൊമെന്റ്സ്. 6 ball 15 runs. Wild ball start from Manish Kushalova. Some interesting factor from Surya. Review taken. India, Anish underneath and a good catch. That's a crucial wicket taken in the tail end of an innings. That's a wicket they wanted. That's a applause from. They know that the Bakshis on the Kalivil wicket. Rajesh Ram departs. Nali Bolakali, Malsiri Basana Giria, no batter up. Basana ball where a Gatirikanam, nothing predictable. Shot again. Drop chance. Drop chance when the wicketkeeper Vishaga. Drop chance. The wicket again. India chance of Vishaga. 2 ball 13 runs. മറ്റൊരു ത്രില്ലർ മത്സരത്തിന് ഈ റോയൽസ് കപ്പിന്റെ മൈതാനം സാക്ഷിയാകുന്ന നിമിഷങ്ങൾ. 2 ball 13 റൺസും 2 ball 13 റൺസും. That's over. That's a ball game in the hands of Karma Narasimha a team. Singha Garsana അവർ പക്ഷേ ഈ ഓവറോട് കൂടി ഒരു ബോളോട് കൂടി അവർ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു മത്സരത്തിൽ white ball needed. That's incubation. End of an over, end of the match, and congratulations team Karma Narasimha and well played. Rajesh Rama Vampire അവസാന നിമിഷം ഒരു പക്ഷേ താളം പിടിച്ചെങ്കിൽ മികച്ചൊരു ഇന്നിംഗ്സുമായി രാജേഷ് രാമ